I guess in this video I am going to show you how to change brightness on Roku TV. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If your TV have ambient light sensor, then you will need to follow these steps. And if your TV don't have ambient light sensor, then you need to also follow these steps. You can enable automatic brightness if your TV has an ambient light sensor, or choose a specific brightness level in the TV picture settings menu. Use the instructions. First, press Home button on your TV remote. Second, scroll and select Settings. Third, select TV Picture Settings. Fourth, select TV Brightness. Fifth, select Auto to enable ambient sensing. If your TV have does not ambient sensing, then select Manual as per your needs and adjust the brightness as per your needs. Select a constant brightness level. Sixth, press OK on your remote. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.